What is up, everyone? It's your boy Palm here, back with another bang. And in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about my New Year resolution 2025, starting off as a CS undergrad student. So let's dive into it. So here's the thing. My 2025 was pretty much successful year for me. I left my job as a DevOps engineer in Nepal. Yeah, you heard it correct. So yeah, I left my job as a DevOps engineer in Nepal to continue my studies here in USA. And I actually took a year gap after my plus two because I really wanted to go and sit with my family members and the place I was born in, the village. All right, so this time the resolution isn't about having something to compare with, but uh, but a set of goals, and the things that I really want to do with my upcoming days, in my upcoming days. Here's the thing. I'm mostly probably the only guy using Neovim in my whole university. Compile Node using LaTeX and Obsidian. Going through this approach actually made me have a unique stand in front of my um, college professors. But it's not about just using Neovim or the environment that I write code in or the anything I write in, but about the approach that you go to solve any particular problem. So my idea is trying something different than what others are trying to do is worth it. It's gonna make you stand out. Um, so yeah, you should definitely go for something different. And the education, my first semester was actually really went really good. To be honest, I got 4 GPA in my first semester, and the assignments were really fun. Um, here's my um, here's my transcript if you want to see. Well, so yeah, the assignments were really fun. I also want to talk about a job incident that had happened to me. So for the job, I have an interesting story I want to share with you. So I'm here as an international student, F1 visa, and I'm not allowed to work unless it's an on-campus job or CPD thing. And I explored a lot of mm, internship jobs and got an offer letter from one of the good startup company. It was about leveraging Nix into the AI stuff. So I really wanted to grab this opportunity, not to make money this time, but to explore how things goes here and there. So the AI and stuff, Nix stuff. So I went to the university with the offer letter, and but I couldn't proceed because the first year CPT is not audited and it's not a thing anymore. So I reserved it for the next year. About Nix, I have been pushing myself to contribute to the Nix packages core to learn more about it. Um, as previous year 2024, there is a couple of programming languages I want to focus on. So this year 2025, I want to go for Jig, and apart from doing Python for the college, I also want to do Rust as well. And I really want to go to RustConf 2025 happening in Seattle, Washington, from September 5 to 15. And I'll make sure to follow up this on Twitter as well. So I want to build a good habit by being a natural human first. I have a couple of projects going on, for example, Next Systems. So this one it's like an online platform where users basically can submit their Nix packages or Nix dot files. I would say sort of like gathering them based on the if it's a flake or a regular configuration or template like that. So the problem with me is I write a little for the project and the next day I get lost in something else. So for that I wanna use recast notes. For example, I got some bindings to open recast quickly like a sticky. So I wanna track myself for that. Final thoughts for this wrap up is of course I have usual goals like using less social media, sleeping more, getting outside more. But let's be honest, this will be broken in couple of hours. I would say. Um, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown of my goals. Maybe got some ideas to put into yours as well. Um, or maybe just enjoyed having me till the end. That's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.